cozier home without spending a dime? Here are 5 easy tips you can try today. First up, rearrange furniture to create more intimate spaces. When you rearrange your furniture a certain way, it can add to more cozier spaces that can cause people to want to linger and stay a while. It can invite them to relax, and it could just be a sweet oasis where they go to retreat and forget about the day's trouble. We can make our homes into cozier spaces without needing to buy anything. This is a free way, and you're already that much closer to creating your cozy oasis. Another way to create a cozy space without spending a dime is to use soft lighting. If you have string lights already, those are perfect, but if not, you can use any lamp to create the perfect soft lighting without spending a dime. And using lamps rather than the big overhead lighting can invite any place to feel super cozy instantly. Next up, incorporate greenery into your home. A way to do this without spending a dime is if you already have a garden, pick flowers from your garden, as this will create beautiful bouquets without spending a dime. If you have any loved ones with gardens, you can also do the same. Any artificial plants that you might already have in your home can also do the trick. Feel free to think outside the box here. If you already add flowers to your grocery list, you can accomplish this all sorts of ways without adding an extra penny into the budget. A cozy home feels calm and welcoming, not cluttered. So another way we can create a cozy home environment is by simply decluttering our homes. Take a few moments to clear off surfaces such as coffee tables, countertops, and dining tables to create a less cluttered and more relaxing home. A tidy, simplified space can feel more inviting and helps us to relax. Not to mention, clutter causes a ton of stress, and we definitely don't need that. Another way to create a cozy environment without spending a dime is by using blankets and pillows that you already have. If you have put some blankets away for the season, feel free to take them out now to cozy up your space or swap them around throughout different areas of your home in order for a cozy, inviting, fresh feel without spending a dime. Adding a few layers to different places around your home, like a sofa, can make the place feel extra soft, warm, and comfortable. Mix different textures and patterns to create a snug, inviting, lived-in look that doesn't feel too stuffy. Feel free to also do this with any carpets or rug that you may have around the home. A cozy home often has a comforting scent, and you can do this without spending a dime by baking goods that will have your home smelling delicious. Not to mention, you will have a sweet treat for later, and you definitely don't need any fancy candles or diffusers. You can simply put a pot on the stove to simmer with wonderful fragrances such as cloves, cinnamon, some orange peels, or even a dash of vanilla extract. This will help your home to smell fantastic. Alternatively, you can also open up a window and let in some of the fresh, natural air. Inviting the outdoors in can be just as soothing. But if you want even more cozy homemaking tips, then check out this video here, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye!